Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We will provide information about natural phenomenon in several parts of the world. With me, Agus Daramanto, Energi Nusa, Akbar Dianto, and also Lufyansyah Aijar Fadila. Let's see this news. Phenomenon Super Blue Blood Moon. The natural phenomenon Super Blue Blood Moon shine big and bright various parts of the world on Wednesday, January 31, 2018 for the first time in 35 years. This phenomenon occurs when a blue moon syncs up with a supermoon and a total lunar eclipse. Moon gazers were able to see the lunar eclipse around the world. There are Bangkok, Thailand at 9:07 p.m. already visible but only a quarter. Second, Jerusalem at 3:45 a.m. looks very close and looks red. Jakarta, Indonesia at 7:51 p.m. looks full and reddish. Houston, Texas at 4:51 a.m. looks almost full a little more. Los Angeles, California at 6:57 a.m. still seen half. New York at 7:06 a.m. looks perfect and very close. Super blue blood moons get their name from three different phenomena, which is blue moon, the second full moon in a calendar month. Lunar eclipse occurs when the sun, earth, and moon line up perfectly. Blue moon, when the lunar eclipse adds a reddish tint to the moon. This moon looks different depending on time and place. This trifecta combination hasn't happened since 1982 and won't happen again until 2037, NASA said. Thank you, that's all from me. Next, my friend Irgi will explain the next news.
Okay, thank you, Agus. Viewers, aurora natural phenomenon looks very amazing. The color gradation of this aurora is very beautiful and makes the sky light up. In the Alaska area, this is one great place to enjoy aurora. Do you want to know the place? See this news. Aurora natural phenomena occur in the polar hemisphere. This phenomenon looks very beautiful because the color gradation that dance in the night sky looks very beautiful. In the Alaska area, especially in Bear Lake, is one place to enjoy the beauty of this natural phenomenon. In Bear Lake, our eyes will be spoiled by one type of aurora, the aurora borealis. The light occurs because of a collision between electrically charged particles that are reflected from the sun and natural gas particles in the Earth's atmosphere. Aurora borealis can be seen in March to April and September to October. Residents around Alaska are waiting for the presence of this natural phenomenon every year. Because the beauty of the color that dance in the night sky makes residents always take the time to see this natural phenomenon. People from outside Alaska come to Bear Lake to see the aurora borealis. Even from abroad, some come only to enjoy the beauty of the aurora borealis. Thank you. That's all from me. Next, my friend Akbar will explain the next. Okay, thank you, Ginisa. The next news comes from Saudi Arabia, which is in January 2018, Saudi Arabia was known to experience the phenomenon of snow again. This phenomenon occurs precisely around the month of Hekiel. The unique phenomenon was preceded by falling rain, accompanied by snow. This incident did not only happen once, but had happened several times. This phenomenon reminds us of hadiths of Muslim story. The end will not come until the Arabian plains once again become plains with grassland and filled the rivers. According to scientists, this unique phenomenon occurs because of the global warming, so that temperatures rise. Evaporation of seawater increases so that the humidity rises. The fact that Saudi Arabia is cold at night, and even the desert at night, the temperature reaches means 9 degrees Celsius. When humidity rises, the water vapor contained in the air will quickly be converted to ice and falls as snow. Thank you. That's all the news that I conveyed that occurred in Saudi Arabia. The next news will be delivered by Lutfiansyah.
Okay, thank you Akbar. The next news about ring solar eclipse phenomenon. This ring of solar eclipse phenomenon will occur 26 December 2019. This 300-year natural phenomenon can be seen in various regions with observation counters in Siak Regency, Riau Province. Ring solar eclipse that will occur on December 26, 2019 can be seen in all regions of Indonesia, but in the form of rings only in some areas, namely Siak Regency, Riau Island, Padang, Sidempuan, Sibolga, and Singkawang Regency. This rare phenomenon that only happened in 300 years is very beneficial for the Siak Regency area, which was chosen to be the center of observation of the ring of the solar eclipse by the National Aeronautics and Space Agency. The peak of the GMC phenomenon only lasted for 2 minutes, which is precisely at 12 o'clock, 17 minutes, and 42 seconds Western Indonesian time. Regent Siak Alfedri said he was ready to welcome tourists and observers at home and abroad and want to know the phenomenon of GMC in his area. Alfredi added that there were a number of activities to be carried out, namely the solar eclipse prayer in Congress, grand public education outreach for school children, scientific writing competition, photography competition, and bazaar, as well as religious entertainment. The climax of the event will be held in the field of Kampung Bunsur, Sungai Apit District. Educational and entertainment activities start from the 24th to the 26th of December 2019. That's all we can explain about natural phenomenon in various parts of the world. Thank you and goodbye.